Thunder cracks the silent night. Stars are falling from the sky. Angels shout with blazing light. The King of Glory drawing nigh. Graves open, souls arise. Eyes like fire, splitting time. Trumpet roars from deep on high. We're caught in His divine design. This world shakes, but I'm not afraid. I hear His voice from beyond the grave. We're caught in the sky, rising higher in the blaze of holy fire. Lifted up with wings of grace, forever in His warm embrace. Caught in the sky, no turning back. On the clouds we'll walk the track, raptured up to endless life in the arms of Christ alive. Wars and screams, the world's decay. Shadow kingdoms fade away. Every knee will bow today as the saints are called away. No more tears, no more pain. Faith rewarded, love remains. Time is swallowed by His reign. We ascend to live again. The dead will rise, the living fly. Through shattered earth we touch the sky. Clothed in glory, free from sin, where eternity begins. Caught in the sky.